Hey, what's up guys, Granzy here, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own music in Scratch without recording. So what we need to do first is we need to get a musical instrument. I'll go to choose a sprite. I'll go to music option over here, as you can see. And for now, let's take guitar. Then we'll go to sounds, and as you can see there are a lot of sounds. Let's put this one for you. Here's the next one. Okay, so now what we need to do is, let me fix my speaker. Here we go. Now what we need to do is we need to go to code, go to events, and drag play sound until done, and then create your own tune like this. Select this sound, then create and drag another block and choose another sound. Right now this will sound like this. And if I drag this one, it will sound like this. And if I drag another one and change it to F, it will sound like this. You can drag in more sounds, you can use more sprites like the saxophone and the drums, the bell, trumpet, radio, drums, anything. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That awkward sound was the door. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button in the face and subscribe for more content when uploaded. Hope this video helped you. Have a great day, guys.